welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK. Today's video, week 3 cash stuffing. Come on in. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Samantha and this is the Budget Mum UK. This channel is for you if you're into all things to do with cash stuffing, budgeting, finance, and if, like me, you're trying to live a good life without having to spend too much money. We're full of lots of different ideas. This community is amazing because they're really, really supportive and come up with so many ideas to help you save money and just use your money to the best way if you can. And if you think that's something for you, I would absolutely love it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit the little like icon, and then hit that little notification bell so that you know every single time that I upload a video. Because not only is it interesting, useful, exciting, all those other amazing adjectives, it is free, which is what we love. So yeah, and if you're already subscribed, then you already know how much I love you. Thank you so much. You're a legend. Right, so exciting times. We have got I'm into week 3. That's always exciting. My total amount for the week is 220. If you've watched from the beginning, already worked it all out and then completed it already, so you know how much I've got for each week. Don't have any extra cash this week, sadly. Keep putting things on Facebook Marketplace, but no one's buying them. Oh, anyways. So it means I've just got 220 to start. Now, what I am going to do, because I was very, very sensible and listened to Selena, who suggested that I have a bit of a plan for going ahead rather than just randomly stuffing my money. So what I'm going to do is actually going to liaise. I normally liaise with my calendar, but yeah, I've not done. Yeah, so I normally liaise with my calendar, but I thought it'd be useful as well to see how much is actually in the envelopes, because that'll sort of guide how much I put in them going forward as well. So I do quite like just doing randomly as I go, but yeah, just a little bit of guidance for me. So I'm going to check the week ahead. Now, if you saw my last check-in for week 2, I have got a nail appointment and I managed to find out when it is, which is on here. So it's at 9:15 a.m. for my nails done, and I don't know the price and I don't like to ask, so I might get my eyebrows done as well, depending on what price she gives me. She tends to do my eyebrows while I'm just like sat there. I say tend to, I literally haven't been. Oh, in fact, it was the week before Alexander was born, so 2.5 years ago. Yeah, got my manicure and pedicure done for giving birth, as we do, girls. That's what we do. So yeah, so that's booked in, so I'll need some cash for that, which I've got in the beauty envelope as well. But yeah, something to bear in mind. And that's the only, is that the only thing? I know what else I've got coming up, but I don't think I'll need money for it. This is quite controversial. So Holly's dad is AWOL. And I still keep in touch with his mum and dad. They know where he is. I know where he is. It's just AWOL in Holly's life. And they're home from Spain, and they've asked to see us on Friday. So I'm going for a meal with, I'll put ex-in-laws. Yeah, you'll see them there. And then Saturday, what did I say I was going to do on Saturday? I might go over and see a friend in Ribble Valley here. I've not seen her for a few months. I used to live over in the Ribble Valley and I keep promising to see her and I'm a bit rubbish with that. So this has been scrapped, by the way. So I don't need money for this. Just because when I saw the girls here, we were just like, oh, I don't know. There's a few people couldn't make it, so it just wasn't worth like going out until we can all do it. So it might get pushed back to next month or something. But other than that, I'm trying to think if I've got something. I feel like there's something else I'm missing and I've not put it on. I don't know what it is, but I'll do for now. So really, I just need money for that. Right, let's have a look at my money. Right, so I should have £220 here. Let's see. I've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 222 stuff. Right, let's see where it's going to go. Right, so I've got that there, so I'm just going to keep an eye on it when I'm deciding where my money's going to go. I'm going to put 20 in my time for me, because it's got 40 in, 20, and then just topping up. Don't feel like I need a lot more in this. Groceries can get 40, because I seem to be spending mid-30s at the moment. Petrol, let's throw another 20 in there. I'm not going to put anything in gifts at the moment, because it's 75. And then I'm going to put 10 into beauty. So that leaves me 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 going in there. Which means that I should have 130 left over. Which is where I'm going to put this. And then for that, I know I'm not going to put any in car repairs because I didn't need to spend any. Genius. And then education is clearly not getting any, if you saw my video the other day. Car tax and insurance. Don't think. I'll put 20 in. Then I'll put... Oh, school, I need to sort that out. School needs some money because I knew there's something else. It's not for me. Holly's going on a trip. They've like sent a text home going, oh, well done, your daughter's like good attendance and works hard. So they're going on a trip, they're being rewarded with it. By the way, you have to pay. Thanks. Thanks for that. How much is in my school binder actually? Oh, there's enough in it. There's enough in it. That's good then. That's something. But I might put another 10 in it because I think it was £32. Go to Blackpool or something. I put 10 in just because I know there's a Rogue 10 going to be floating around. Let's get 20 in both of these. And then the rest can go in debt. 20, 40, 60, 70. That means that there should be 60. Oh gosh. 60 going into debt. Woohoo! Which means that is a total of 130, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 130. Fab. Let's get that put in the envelopes. I get more and more efficient at this as I go, don't I think. Oops. I know it was fine in there, but I liked how it nice and neat. And then there we go. And that's us all done. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you really, really soon. Bye.